guys, it's Rosario Fit Live, and I've been getting a ton of questions on how I make my Hawaiian blizzard, and it's very easy. I got in my blender already banana, frozen pineapple, and shredded coconut. Yummy already. Then to that, I'm going to add about a quarter of lactose-free milk, like that, about 1 cup of water, like that, and about 15 ice cubes, so they all go there. So that is that. And then I add the secret ingredient, which is vanilla shako. Yeah, so okay, so 1 scoop of that goes in. It doesn't need anything else, and this is it. So it is a pretty hot day here in Calgary, and I am ready to enjoy my blizzard. Get ready. It's gonna be a little bit noisy, but that's okay. I'm gonna dance the hula while this gets done. Almost ready. All right, 20 more seconds, you guys. Excited for this, you guys. Super yummy. My blizzard. I'm not gonna turn it upside down like DQ because that is not my style. Anyway, so here is my beautiful, healthier version of the Hawaiian blizzard. Cheers, everyone. This is so yummy. I am ready to go enjoy it outside in my patio. So cheers, everyone. This is my recipe for the Hawaiian blizzard, but healthier. Cheers.